Hey, welcome to MESArcFF Foam Fighters Elite. We've got Nick here. Nick's actually a new addition to the team, and you found out about the team over the summer. Did a couple of our classes, and then and since you're stay-at-home student, yes, part-time Rocky Mountain.
I'm full-time homeschool.
Full-time homeschool. Sweet. Okay, but so that gives you the option now to travel over here and be an elite, which is really cool. So this is why he's elite, right? So go ahead and talk about this thing.
So this is my 450 sized helicopter. It's called the Gaui X3. It runs blade sizes from 325 millimeters up to 360 millimeters. I currently have 350s on it. It's something that I built as a kit, and it comes as a kit. The basic kit is like $200. And then all you need to buy are all the electronics. So the motor, the ESC, servos, the flybarless gyro, which tends to be the most expensive part because it's the...
How much something like this run?
This one costs $75, but better high quality ones that have bailout and all that typically cost about $400.
Yeah.
That's the more popular thing to use. I just don't need all those functions right now. And then it took me, I don't know, probably 24 hours to build over the period of 5 months.
Yeah.
Between school and just other things going on.
And did you just know how to make this thing, or did you follow some sort of script, or?
It came with an instruction manual, but it's pretty straightforward. You typically can tell how everything goes together because it's all shaped to only fit one way.
And this is 3D, right?
Yes, fully collective pitch. So the motor runs at a constant RPM, and the blades move up and down in order to climb or descend, which allows it to fly upside down.
Wow.
And then the tail rotor works the same way.
So tell us how it works on the controller. So throttle's the same thing on the left, right?
Yes. So on an airplane, your idle, no throttle, is at negative, at fully all the way down. On a helicopter, since the blades are always spinning, your neutral is halfway. Mm-hmm. So in order to climb, you move it up. But when you flip it over to fly inverted, this is your up and down. So moving it to the bottom is what helps you climb up and down. And then being able to fly 3D maneuvers, lots of tricks, and just all sorts of things. You have to be able to do both at the same time, moving them back and forth.
Wow. So how long have you been practicing to get to do what you're going to show us today?
I've been flying for 2 years, and then I probably have thousands of hours on the simulator.
Yeah, I bet, because you don't want to mess up something like this. Now, are you competition ready?
I would sure hope so.
Yeah?
I think so.
So what's the next step for you to get to a competition?
Find the competition.
Fine. And then you said everything's out of state, right?
Yes.
And what's the nearest to Colorado?
Nearest competition would probably be up in Illinois area.
Okay.
There's a lot of fun flies around in Colorado, but I haven't been able to go to any of those, and those aren't real competing, just flying around, doing whatever. Awesome. And this is the smaller sized helicopter, 450 size, and it goes 450, 500, 550, 600, and then all the way up to 700 size, and then a typical competition helicopter 700 size, but you can compete with just about any size.
Wow. And using the 6-cell?
Yes, it's a 6-cell 1350 milliamp battery. And it's a pulse, and I have it covered in tape to use the battery tray, so it just slides into the...
What's the flight time on this thing?
I can get up to 5 minutes. I fly it for 3 minutes so that I can charge the battery faster.
Right. So 3 minutes of just going berserk.
Yes.
This is insane. I have a lot of respect for you, because there's no way, one, that I could even build something like this, or two, be able to even fly something like this. I mean, we're used to our little, our little coaxial blades that you just sit and hover right in front of you, and then that's about it. So to you know, I've been waiting since the summer now to see you fly this thing. So
I can't wait to fly it.
It should be really cool. Well, let's go to the backyard and let's check out Nick fly his helicopter.